Hi, we're Rob and Annie. This episode we take not one but two wrong turns on our quest to visit the New South Wales south coast. We sample cider at Darkes Orchard and get hit with some pretty hectic rainfall, but it made it all worth it when we saw Madden Falls. Join us for this crazy wet weather adventure. This leg of our journey took us from Canberra to the New South Wales south coast, but not exactly how we planned it.
Whoa.
Look at it.
Oh, no, we're all going the wrong way still. It seems to think there's a... Oh no, it's just gone.
And here we are going down Mount Ousley.
That's where I'm into.
See through trees. There's a road. Like Brown Mountain. Some jungle. There you go, my ears.
There we go, we just come up below fast. I know that we're back on the right track. Yet another one of Rob's uninteresting tours. Don't tell me maps, I know maps. So on our way down to our friends Glenn and Joe's cellar door. I'm very excited to see the shop, I think. So we've just dropped into the house and put the van away. So now we get to go and buy some cider.
This one, Beastie, is a sparkling honey slicer. So it's
I don't want to drive home with this. No hand
That one is a light fruity sort of style, and it's very similar to the ciders that you probably had experienced in other places. So that's the one like your Spatula cider, like some of the ones from Orange, from Tassie,
It's funny how you have to be super flexible when you're camping. We had every intention of setting up the van, having a fire and even doing some camp cooking, but the weather had other plans. Instead, we took full advantage of doing the tourist thing in the wild and crazy wet weather. That was rather deep.
on the 1-year-old wood, just on the tips. But this is the 2-year-old wood back here, and there. And so that's where you get most of your flower buds. So if we have a look, say down here, this is the sort of stuff, the flower buds that we're looking for.
Okay.
Down in here. And you get more flower buds on the horizontal wood.
Well, we're at our friend's place at their orchard. We've probably put some footage in.
Where you going, bud?
I'm watching the big puddles. We'll take a footage of that in a second. Yes, this is a rather large puddle.
We've just arrived at these waterfalls, but it's quite surprising because of the trailhead for the waterfalls. But the exciting thing is, literally across the road from Darkes Cider, the brewery. And if I just turn around, the gate is just over there. So you can come and sample cider and visit the waterfall. And it's raining. It's been raining the entire weekend that we've been here, but that doesn't stop us, so we're going to go check this out.
So we're in the Thirroul National Park, and we're heading down to the Madden Falls from Darkes Forest Road, right opposite the cider, the Darkes Cider shop. The sign said it's a 2-kilometre return and about 45-minute walk.
And Rob laughed at me for wearing my gum boots. But who's laughing now? Had them in the car, so I took the opportunity. Yeah. Oh, so all that rain has up the steps. Whoa.
That's the Madden Falls. Looking good.
It's amazing. And with all the rain, it's just spectacular. I just absolutely love it. I don't know if you can hear it. It's so loud.
The locals have told us the best photos are on the other side, but as you can see, we're not crossing that today.
And this is our friend Joe.
On this beautiful sunny day, maybe in summer. Come back in summer, cross the creek, go down around the front, and then stand under the waterfall. So there's a reason to come back, Annie.
Yep. Oh, I would love that. I've never been under a waterfall, so that would be really cool.
Yeah.
Ooh, the frogs.
It's a bit damp now.
You may not.
Am I in the right lane?
Yeah. Stay there. See this? Like,
The size of that deer back there
oh, serious?
on the side of the road.
What did you say?
Like a massive deer with like giant antlers.
Just in the middle of the Hume Highway.
No, he was over on the other side, coming out of the bush on the other side. Yeah, but yes, just on the Hume.
There's a change up for the books.
Agreed.
We've just seen, well, Rob just saw a deer and I didn't catch it, but we're on the Hume Highway and we've just seen
Between Sydney and Canberra.
between Sydney,
Big thoroughfare.
and there's heaps of traffic on the road and we just saw some goats. Now we have seen hundreds of goats in the outback. I've never seen them on the Hume Highway.
A couple of kids just running up the side on the left.
And there was
What?
some in the middle.
Yeah, some on the in the middle of the road. Crazy. This weekend's hardly been. It's been lots of fun, but it's hardly been Insta-worthy from a videography or a photography perspective. Quite heavy rain, torrential at times, quite windy. But we've had a really fun weekend. It's actually, one of those weekends sometimes where they feel longer than 2 days. Because we're about to head back out to the outback. And then after that, back into our outback travel videos, which we hope you come along for the journey. See you soon.
Subscribe.